So, good morning again, my dear students. Hope you are enjoying this. You have to read again and again. Then you will learn this format. As we are doing now investing activity. Purchase of fixed assets, sale of fixed assets. For these we have to make some additional accounts as working notes. How? These are the format of additional account. Here we have to make fixed tangible assets for land, for building, for machinery, for furniture. We have to make this. Here it is written opening balance. Here it is closing balance. And the difference of these two will be to cash account, means purchase of that fixed asset. In the same manner, one more additional account in working note we have to make accumulated depreciation account. So here the opening balance was in debit side. In this accumulated depreciation account, the opening balance will be in credit side and closing balance will be in debit side. And difference of these two will be the depreciation. For example, see this question. Preparation of fixed tangible assets at original cost basis. Here given fixed tangible asset. This is the opening balance on 1st April. On 31st March it is closing balance. Accumulated depreciation account. It is opening balance, it is closing balance. So I told you fixed tangible assets. This is the opening balance. We write in debit side, that was 1,60,000. Closing balance is 1,90,000. It is given in the question. Opening balance and closing balance. And the difference of these two, it is 1,90,000. We write the same over here. This become 30,000. So we get to cash purchase. And this purchase is the outflow of cash. We will write in here bracket purchase of fixed asset. It may be machinery, furniture, anything else. Tangible asset, and this is intangible asset. This will come in minus. Now we go for accumulated depreciation account. Here you see, this is the opening balance, this is closing balance. It is sort of liability. So what we do, this opening balance will come in credit side. Here it is written opening balance, and closing balance will come in credit side. यहाँ टोटल लिखेंगे बच्चों, और इसमें से इसको माइनस कहेंगे. So this way we have got depreciation. This is the balancing figure being current year depreciation. So this is the way to make these two important accounts. Please learn it. Thank you.